1 and this 1000. Okay, means 2 ones